Auntie Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with another cooking in a video for you today. Now today I want to show you how I make potato salad my way, okay? It is so delicious. It comes out wonderful. So if you don't know how to make potato salad, well, check me out, okay? And I'm going to show you how to make it easy, simple, and delicious. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some potatoes. Now today I'm going to be using my red potatoes, and I'm going to be using about 2 pounds of it. Next we're going to be using about 4 eggs. 4 medium sized eggs is fine. We're going to also be using some real mayonnaise, okay? So real mayonnaise. You're also going to need some yellow mustard. And you're going to need, well, this is optional. You can either use the celery salt or you can use some celery. But being that the celery salt has flavor in it, I want to use the celery salt, but I also want the crunch from the celery. Okay, so I'll be using both. And you're also going to need some regular white distilled vinegar. And we're going to be using some onions. Now a regular medium or small white onion is fine. Alright, I'll be using probably half of this white onion. Now we're going to start it off with our potatoes. We're going to skin them and cube them, and then I'll come right back. In the meantime, water on, so this way you're going to be able to put your potatoes in there to cook, okay? And make sure it's like maybe half or 3/4 filled, and we're going to bring it to a boil, and I'll be right back. In the meantime, I'm going to continue cubing my potatoes. Our potatoes are nice and cubed and ready for our water. And while they're boiling, you're also going to put your eggs in the water as well. Okay? And we're going to boil that together. In the meantime, you're going to dice your, or should I say, you're going to mince your onion. And being that I'm not really making for everybody, because not everybody in my household likes potato salad, I'm just going to take a piece of the onion, maybe like a half of it, and mince it up. If you don't like to use regular onions, you can use powdered onion, but I think the regular onion gives it a nicer flavor. Just going to mince that up nice and fine. Alright you guys, so it is ready, and now I'm going to strain the water out and cool it off. So now I'm going to put it in our Pyrex dish. Okay. Now I diced up the onion, so we're going to put in the 1/2 onion inside of our dish. I also diced up 3 stalks of celery, so I minced it up nice and fine. Next, you're going to put in your mayonnaise, and I would say about a cup or so of mayonnaise, but it's to taste. Next, you're going to put in your yellow mustard. And I would say about 2 tablespoons or so of yellow mustard. Now we're also going to put in some celery salt, so that is also to taste. And we're going to put in 1/4 cup of our vinegar. Now I'm going to add my diced and chopped eggs. Alright, so you're going to stir this up. Mix it very well. And what I like to do with my potato salad is I like to add in some sugar. So if you like your potato salad with that little sweet kick to it, then you're definitely going to need some sugar. Okay, I'm just going to add in some paprika now. I like the paprika because it takes away the smell of the eggs. And with me, I don't like eggs, but this seems to be the only way I can actually eat it. Not to mention in fried rice. Any other way, I cannot eat eggs. It makes me sick. But for some strange reason, I can eat my potato salad. It depends on who's making it. I can't eat just anybody's potato salad. Now, usually I'm dead set against some white sugar, but I will be using some white sugar and maybe about a tablespoon, or to taste, actually. I'm just going to blend that in good. Okay, just going to add a little bit more of my celery salt for more flavor. And I'm going to add in a little bit more, I'm going to add in a little bit of my black pepper. If you have white pepper, that's good. Put a little black pepper in there. And I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more of my paprika. And that's it. Wonderful potato salad. Now what I'm going to do is put some clear wrap over it, pop it in the refrigerator, and let it get nice and chill. that's it, you guys. So enjoy this wonderful potato salad and let me know how you like it, how yours came out. Okay? And I will see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.